blushers, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited because I'm doing another 10 weird stress relievers from Amazon. So if you guys haven't seen my past 3 Amazon stress reliever videos, I will leave a playlist down below where you guys can check it all out. I'm so excited to be reviewing 10 more weird stress relievers from Amazon, and all of these things are on Amazon Prime, so these literally came in like 2 days, and I've had these for so long. I've had these for probably like 3 weeks, but I just am now getting the opportunity to sit down and do this video. So since it has been like 3 weeks, I honestly don't remember what is in this box. So we're gonna go ahead and go through it one by one. So I'll tell you guys my thoughts and my reactions and just like what I think about these stress relievers. So yeah, I'm so excited to dive into this box and show you guys what is inside. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into this video. I'm just gonna pick out this biggest one right here because it's like very large, you know. So this is called the Giant Stress Ball. Let's open this bad boy up. It smells very plasticky. Wow. Let's just open this guy up. Okay. Wait. This is so satisfying. Oh my gosh. I was not expecting this. I thought it was just gonna be like a hard ball, but this is like one that you can like literally just like stretch. But man, this is actually so satisfying. It's very rubbery and like squishy, but then it also like morphs into the shape that you want it to. Let me know if I should do a DIY version of this, because I feel like we could do this with like a, what do they call those, wobble balls? Is that what they're called? I don't know. There's our first stress reliever. Bye. It makes my hands smell very rubbery and like I feel like I need lotion now, but we're moving on. Okay, so this next stress reliever is called the Mini Zen Garden Moon and Stars. So if you guys watched my other stress reliever videos, you guys know that I have reviewed several different Zen Gardens before, but this is the first one that is like in the shape. So of course it comes with a little rake. It has 2 different types of sand. It has the white sand and black sand. And then it comes with these little like jewels, different colored jewels. And then it comes with little stars. And then lastly, it comes with the little board that has like the moon cut out. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this and we'll see how well it works. Okay, so this is actually really fun to do. I love how it has like 2 different colors, and I love these little wooden stars. I think they look super nice against the black sand. I will say this was a little bit more stressful than I was hoping because of the fact that it had 2 different types of sand. So I'm like, okay, some of this white sand is getting in the black sand and it's like stressing me out a little bit. But other than that, I think this is an awesome Zen garden that you guys should definitely check out if you guys are in the market for a new Zen garden. So this is a sloth squishy, which I just thought was so cute and just like something I just like couldn't pass up, you know? When I was looking at Amazon stress relievers, this came up and I was like, oh my gosh, a sloth squishy. Like, yes, please. Like, I've had a potato before in the past, but like this one more so represents me as a human being. Like more so than like the potato, you know, like the potato, yes, that was me, but like also like the sloth, like this is me. I'm just a huge fan of this in general. I give this a 10 out of 10. The squish is actually really nice. It's very slow rising and it's a freaking sloth. Are you kidding me? So definitely give it a try if you guys like sloths or you just like to squish things. Give it a try. This is a Zen Artists Board. And this was something that really caught my eye on Amazon. It says, practice the Zen art of living in the moment. Are you stressed and want to escape for a few minutes? With the Zen Artist Mini Board, you can watch your stress disappear right before your eyes. Leave your worries behind as you unleash your inner child and bring your artistic creations to life. How do you open this? I need help. Okay, hold on one second. Oh wait, there's some water right here. We're just gonna use some of this water.
You ready to have some fun? Let's do it. Just a little, though. Don't overdo. Don't overdo.
Okay, this is actually so satisfying because as you guys can see, it's like slowly disappearing. So it's cool that you can constantly be drawing something, but then you don't have to like get a new piece of paper or like wash off your little brush. It just automatically goes back to a blank canvas, which is awesome because you can just keep painting. So I definitely give this a 10 out of 10. I think this is so fun and so genius, and I just want to keep drawing on this. It's so much fun. Wow. This is amazing. Okay, definitely recommend this. I think this is amazing. Okay, next up we have this little unicorn, and let me open this up. So it's a unicorn that has little Orbeez in it, and this is so cute. Wow. And I got one in the past that I believe was a rainbow dolphin, and it had Orbeez in it as well. So this is just, and I just love like adding different stress relievers to my collection. His tail is a little weird though, I'm not gonna lie. It's like, that's not what unicorn tails look like. Okay, not much to say about this except for you need this in your life, and if you don't think you do, you know, think again, really prioritize your priorities. Okay, next up we have this visual illusion ball. I'm intrigued. Okay, there's no instructions. Wait, no, it says release inner creativity and imagination. Keep focused, relieve stress, or simply relax during working hours or brainstorming sessions. Okay, so that gave me no instructions on how to do this, but I'm assuming you just put on like on the table, and then so there's like a spinning thing on the bottom, and I think you just go like this, and then it just like spins. But like, am I missing something? Like, so it's an illusion. So I'm assuming it's going a lot faster than what it actually looks like it's doing. Maybe that's the illusion part, but I'm not really sure how this is stress relieving. Oh! Sorry. This is just really heavy, and it could definitely hurt something or someone, so be careful. But yeah, overall, give this a 5, you know? Kind of sucks. Okay, so this is called People of Walmart Adult Coloring Book. Just let that sink in for just a quick sec, you know? Okay, so this is a picture of a woman with just like her butt, like is like, if you can get a close-up of that. Oh gosh. I actually want to color this one. It's just some absurd things. Why there's a person laying on the ground and there's like, okay. Ooh, I want to do this one. There's just like a lot of like naked people in this, you know, like in Walmart. So they have like a website, it's like peopleofwalmart.com, and I'm pretty sure they just like compiled different pictures of what they have accumulated, because if you guys haven't seen that website, it's basically just people take pictures of people in Walmart and they send them into the website or whatever, and then it just became like this big thing. So I think they just made a coloring book of some of the pictures. This one I will have to give it like an 8. It's not like amazing, but it's also like kind of cool, you know? What is this? Ooh, it's a head spa. Okay, so there's like little metal balls on the ends. Ooh, I already got tingles. Okay, yeah, this is so nice. This is definitely like an 11 out of 10. I am a huge fan. Like, this feels so freaking good. I seriously love this so much. Wow. Okay, that was so fun. Okay, so this is a paint by sticker book, and I've had this before in the past, like years and years ago. So this is a travel themed paint by sticker book, and what you do is, oh my gosh, this is seriously so fun. So if you guys have ever done those paint by number books, this is the same thing, only it is for stickers. So these are all the stickers. So each sticker has a letter and number attached to it, and then you place it onto the board. So it's so much fun, it's so relaxing. This is like something perfect to take on a vacation with you, because you don't have to worry about any like messes, because this is just like stickers. So this is like a sticker book for adults, and I love this so much. It's seriously so fun. All right, there's one last thing in this box, and this is a spot popper. And if you guys have seen my other videos, you guys will be familiar with what this is, but this is a whole new version. So basically it's like the pimple popper, but it's shaped in a nose form. I'm very excited to participate in more pimple popping, because I am because I just like it, okay? Really enjoy a good pimple popping session, you know? So this is a whole different company than the other ones that I've gotten in the past, because the other ones were like the pimple popper. This one is the spot popper. So it comes with a little syringe, some pimple pus, my favorite word on this planet. Just kidding. And then also this random stylist for like an iPad. I don't understand what the point of that is. Okay, so I have to go really quick and heat this in the microwave for 10 seconds and I will be right back. Okay, so that literally took so long to heat up, but without further ado, hopefully I heated it up enough. I literally heated it up for like 5 minutes. Okay, so this is super satisfying. I definitely suggest this if you guys like I definitely suggest this if you guys like like, you'd think I was joking, but like, this is what actually comes out of my mouth. I definitely suggest this if you guys like popping pimples, then you guys should definitely try this out. I will say I like the other versions that I've gotten of like this type of pimple popping. So I'll leave that one linked down below if you guys want to check that one out. I just hate the feeling of this pus stuff. It's really kind of freaking me out a little bit, but other than that, I really enjoyed this and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, I'm going to give some shout outs to my notification squad members. So here you are right here. Thank you guys so much for being a part of the blusher squad, and if you guys want to be a part of it, then make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, push the notification bell, and then hashtag blusher squad in your comments. And then you guys are a part of the blusher squad and you guys can be featured in one of my videos. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Give it a big thumbs up if you guys want me to keep doing videos like this in the future. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys all have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Peace and blessings. I can't really clap because this pus stuff is kind of freaking me out. So I need to go wash my hands. All right, peace. Bye, guys.